Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Finding the highest point of a rocket launch is easy if you look at the velocity graph correctly. Let's solve this problem together right now. The height of the rocket is the integral of the velocity function. This means the rocket keeps rising as long as the velocity stays positive on our graph. Let's track that. Looking at the graph, the velocity is above the horizontal axis from time 0 until time 6. During this entire interval, the rocket is gaining altitude and moving further away. At 6 seconds, velocity becomes negative, meaning the rocket starts falling. Thus, maximum height occurs at 6 seconds. Option B is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given data and check steps.